Thank you so much for checking out this video, it really means a lot to me. In our previous video we showed you how to get smoother close-up video with the Osmo Pocket using a tripod. If you haven't seen this video, I'll link it in the top right of the screen now. In today's video we'll be expanding on this idea by adding additional movement to our shots to create epic cinematic style video. So we have our Osmo Pocket set up on our tripod and we will be using this water feature as our subject. Next we attach our phone to one of the legs of the tripod. I used a simple phone mount and clamp just like so. Now we will link the Osmo Pocket to the phone either via a cable or by using the DJi wireless module. The DJi app will launch and you will now get to see the live feed on your phone. Raising the leg of the tripod with the phone mounted, we can use this as our handle to push and pull the tripods forwards and backwards, whilst also controlling the gimbal head movement with a joystick built into the app. By altering the gimbal position with the joystick whilst moving the Osmo Pocket forward with the tripod, we can get some awesome movements. Even with this pretty plain water feature in my garden, we can make it look pretty neat. You should set the Osmo Pocket to record at 60 FPS or higher so that you can alter the speed in post-production to get them super slow-mo shots. I also recommend not doing this in cold weather like I am, so you have better control over the joystick. By altering the position from forwards to sideways or changing the angle of the Osmo Pocket on the tripod introduces different movement into our footage. It will take time and practice to see how the gimbal and movement of the tripod alters a shot. But by using this in conjunction with my other Osmo Pocket tutorials, you have a whole toolbox of tricks that you can use for your videos. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, be sure to subscribe because we have more tips and tricks for you in videos coming soon. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.